Hello. Thank you very much for stopping by the Random Green TV YouTube channel. Today, I wanted to do a vlog style type video and to talk to you about what's going on with the stuff that's happening in the up there in the skies, up with the things that have been going, the goings-ons is up there in the skies with the drones, the so-called drones. But I think it's really things to come. We know that the end is so close. It probably won't even be 2025 in this system. Things, maybe not. But you think about it. I mean, there's a lot of things that get lost in translation because the governments. I think the governments know what's going on. The goings-ons is, like my buddy Cletus Clamclaster. He's a pretty good guy. He was telling me. Well, no, he wasn't. I'm just making this up as I go. Well, I'm not making it up. It's actually serious. This is a very serious vlog. Very serious vlog. What gets lost in translation is that fact that the governments know what the heck is going on, but they're not telling regular people what the heck is going on in that. And I think they should really just be transparent with the public and tell us what's going on, because we need to know. It's very serious, because there are supernatural things that are happening right now that we just need to take note. And that's why people, I think, are understanding, because they think it's something, a specter, it could be a specter up there in the spiritual heavens. Maybe not, but why am I making a video like this? Well, I just wanted to add another video for you guys, and to add the collection to YouTube, because YouTube, I want to make sure that YouTube gets that Googleplex number of videos uploaded. And yeah, but I really think that it's there's a lot of things that are happening in planet Earth that we just don't even know about. And I think maybe the governments don't know. Maybe they don't know. Maybe it's beings from the Andromeda galaxy that are toying with us. You see, it's like this. When we look at the situation, do we analyze the situation with the complexities and the intensities of it all? But people don't analyze the situation. Just like when someone subscribes, do they do research? Do they do research when they subscribe to this channel? Because they don't. There is no research they do. They should do research. When you see Random Green TV, when you see that, you should automatically understand what this is. And I'm being more transparent with you than the individuals that run this country. I mean, the governments just don't know what's going on. And I think it's a way of the Almighty telling us, hey, we better shape up before I come back, and maybe not, I guess. It's very crucial that we understand this, because maybe it's like this. Maybe they're gearing up. Maybe they're gearing up for a big showdown. Something's going to happen, and we see the things that are happening, the light shows and that are happening in the skies, and maybe it's just I don't know. Could be anything really, but I just want to. I'm being transparent with you guys versus the United States of America or other countries, because I think could it be Israel and Ukraine working together, or Syria and Mongolia working together, or Iran and Kazakhstan, or Pakistan and Egypt, or Taiwan and Tasmania, which is Australia, but you see. Yes, maybe it's Tasmania. Maybe it's Tasmania officials know what's going on. We never know. We can only guess. But you see, it's like this. There's a lot of things that we just don't know in this world, and we really got to pay attention. You really have to, a lot of things just get lost in translation. And thing is, if everybody was transparent, we already have that answer right now. You see, I know this vlog style type video is going to help you out to really truly appreciate what it's all about. And I'm giving you, amazing amazing information. Just maybe a little incoherent and random, but that's just the way this channel is. That's the way this channel is. But maybe next time I'll upload a video game. In fact, I probably should. Maybe not that long. If that's okay. But anyway, thank you very much for stopping by the channel. Remember, this is the Random Green TV YouTube channel. Alrighty.